it up. This was like back in like World War II or something like that. The thing was developed. This company was making, I believe, sewing machines, and then just came about where they were making some saw grinders. So this machine here, actually, the wheel comes across like so, and then you index it off these old these little feeder paws here. So you would take and the wheel basically grinds the top level of these saws. I'm trying to throw one on real quick. So in here, this wheel would just basically skate across the top and raise and lower here. And this wheel would do the grinding part of the top. And then you would just index it from every tube, like so. It's really old. And then the new machines now are all kind of CNC. So this machine now, everything's got your little graphics on it that you can change all your settings and whatnot. The little feeder paw right here will index everything. So your blade would sit here, this would come up and index the blade, and then your wheel would come down, and it's all done on the CNC. Definitely time space.